right, so after looking at the poster or going back in your journal if you wanted to over the ways to hook your reader, you should have looked up and decided which type of hook you want to start your paper with. I looked up interesting facts about electricity. I thought that would be a good one. And when I looked it up, I kind of turned it back into a question that's an interesting fact. So I kind of used a combination of the two, an interesting fact and a question. So that's what you're going to start your introduction paragraph with. All right, and if you don't think you left enough room for your introduction, that is okay. Just get a new piece of paper to put in front, because this is just our rough draft. So I found an interesting fact. This is mine that I found. Did you know electricity plays a role in the way your heart beats? Electricity causes muscle cells in the heart to contract. I thought that was a really cool fact, that the electricity causes those muscles in your heart to contract, which allows it to pump blood. So without electricity, our hearts would not beat. So electricity is important. All right, so I'm going to start it with that. That hopefully will hook the readers when they read it, and they'll think, oh, that's a cool fact. I want to keep reading. Now, the next part of your introduction is where you restate the prompt. Now, remember the prompt. Let me go back to my journal. Was this: energy is all around us. It is used and produced every day. Decide which type of energy is the most important in your life and describe why. So, right here, I'm going to put, out of all the energy types, electricity is the most important in my life. Now, you can pretty much copy that sentence. The only sentence I'm going to tell you can copy from me is this one right here. The only thing that you might need to change is electricity if you didn't choose that. And I put out. You don't want to copy that. Out of all the energy types, electricity is the most important in my life. Okay? Now I need to list those 3 reasons I decided on. All right, so I'm going to go back here to my expository pillar, and I'm going to list, okay? And I'm going to say electricity helps me cook and prepare food, comma, communicate with others, comma, because this is a list, and stay entertained, period. The only problem I see is I didn't skip lines. That's okay. All right, so you're going to first come up with your hook. Second, restate the prompt, tell your main idea of your paper. And then third, give your 3 reasons. That's your introduction, okay? All right, so get that done and then snap a picture and send it to me so I can see yours.